If you are looking for best meat thermometers, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Haber 022 Meat Thermometer. While most people use cooking thermometers for meat, thermometers are also quite handy for baking. But that's not all. From measuring the temperature of the water used for proofing yeast to checking the doneness of a batch of muffins or testing your homemade yogurt, you'll reach for this thermometer often. This thermometer has an on-off switch that makes it simple to operate, but if you leave it on after using it, the auto shutoff will save the battery life by switching it off after 10 minutes. A sheath is included to protect the probe in storage. Number 2. Alpha Griller's Instant Red Meat Thermometer. Serious grillers know that there are plenty of reasons to be grilling after dark, and this thermometer makes it a little easier with a backlight that makes the thermometer easy to read in any light. Simple to use. The ability to hold the displayed temperature means you won't have to lean over a hot grill to see it. The body of the probe is waterproof, so you don't need to worry about steam splashing. This reads from 58 to 572 degrees, so you can use it for all of your cooking. Number 3. ThermoPro TP07 Wireless Barbecue Meat Thermometer. It has a 300-foot range, so you can't wander to the neighbor's house, but it's far enough to keep you away from the heat. The transmitter and receiver are synced when they arrive, so there's no setup or pairing required. It reads temperature from 32 to 572 degrees with an accuracy of plus 1.5 degrees and has a backlit screen for easy reading. It also has a timer function. The failing point for thermometers like this is usually the probe, but this company has you covered since they will replace the probe for free if it fails. Number 4. SMARTROST59 Digital Meat Thermometer. This thermometer lets you constantly monitor the meat temperature from the outside of the grill, so you can keep an eye on it without disturbing the cooking process. The probe's wire is designed to withstand temperatures from 32 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, so it won't be damaged from the smoker's heat. The thermometer has a color touchscreen display that's easy to read in any light, a boon for glasses-wearing cooks, or those who sometimes cook outdoors in the evenings. It also offers presets for a variety of foods. A space probe is included with this thermometer. Number 5. OXO 11,133,300 Thermometer. If you prefer analog over digital, this dial-style instant red meat thermometer can read from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The shaded surface on the stem indicates the proper depth the probe should be inserted in the meat. While this is much quicker than older thermometers, it's not quite as fast as digital models. It can take up to 7 seconds for the hand to stop moving on the dial. This doesn't require batteries for operation and it's not expensive. This is a good thermometer to keep on hand as a backup.